Hey y'all, Braxton boys back again. So today we have our Mitsubishi Electric Mr Slim. I'm going to show you how to clean the filters. So to get started, what we'll end up doing on the sides here, this little 2 indentions, we're going to lift the cover up. That exposes our filters. We're going to lift up and slide out. Here's our filters. So next what we'll do is take our broom, you can take a vacuum, and you're just going to sweep it. Get all the dust off. Once it's clean, we're going to slide it right back in. Do the same thing on the other side. You can take these and you can take them, wash them under the faucet. I don't recommend putting them in the dishwasher, but if you do wash these in the sink, make sure it is completely dry prior to reinstalling it. If it is wet, all it's going to do is have the dust collect faster on it and clog it up sooner. Close it up. There you go. And that's how we do quick preventative maintenance on our Mitsubishi Electric Mr Slims. If you have any questions, contact the office, leave a comment, ring that bell, and have a great day.